Hey guys, we got the Maxwell battery pack abortion thing going on here. This is a project to replace the conventional car battery in my drag racing A3, the Late Goose. It's basically made of 6 2000 farad Maxwell ultra caps. And this is just a quick video on charging them up. You see I got them up to 2.86 volts here. Now, if you don't have much electrical theory knowledge, just a quick rundown, ultra caps have a very low effective series resistance, and what that basically means is, unlike a battery, when you put it on charge and it will regulate current fairly well, these are basically like trying to charge up a short circuit. So I don't have a high enough wattage resistor, because normally you would charge a cap through a resistor, and I don't have a high enough wattage to charge this amount of capacitance. So I've got a bit of stainless steel welding wire here wrapped around a handle of a hammer to make up a quick and dirty resistor. So I'm going to connect it up here to the 25 amp battery charger here, and rather than torturing the poor battery charger with the full whack of current, we're going to charge it up through the resistor. So we'll give this a little lick, and cap volts will now start to increase slowly. And this bit of stainless wire gets very, very hot. It's already discolored from... I did a quick test before I started the video, just 10 seconds to see what would happen. And yeah, the wire gets very, very warm, guys. I can kind of feel the heat radiating from it now. It's doing a good job. But yeah, we're at 4.3 volts now. And just got to leave that for a little minute. Let it charge up. I can't tell you what the current draw is because I don't have anything that will actually meter that kind of current, but I'm going to guess it's up around the top end of what the power supply can actually supply, around about 25-30 amps. It's charging up a lot quicker than I thought it would, so it's probably really drawing some current here. But yeah, this thing's probably around about 0.4 of an ohm, I would guess. So not a lot of resistance at all, but as it gets hotter, the resistance will go up slightly. It's just, yeah, it's like a dead short. If you go the other side of that resistor, it just sparks like a crazy thing. You can see a little burn mark where I tried it on the other side of the resistor, and yeah, it draws a fair amount of current. So yeah, hopefully we'll have some follow-up videos once this thing's charged up. We'll have a little bit of fun. See you in the next one.